As a solo filmmaker, there is nothing worse than crushing your pre-production, nailing the shoot, and pouring countless of hours into the edit just to realize that you don't have enough coverage. And not because you forgot to hit record, but simply one person cannot be in two places at once, grabbing those multiple angles. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use AI not to generate videos from scratch, but to save your edits from only a few still frames. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Jacopo. I'm a 22-year-old Italian videographer working with multiple businesses here in Italy. In this channel, I talk about gear, edits, and the real life of a solo filmmaker. Let's get into it. Now, before I talk about the secret sauce, we have to address the elephant in the room. Is AI cheating? Okay, so look, in my opinion, filmmaking is capturing the world with a camera, not typing prompts. Sometimes you just miss the shot, and unfortunately, we don't have like 5 cameras running around all the time. That is why I treat AI as my backup parachute. It does not replace the craft that we love. It simply helps you to save the edit when the coverage falls short. Okay, so now enough talking, and let me show you how it's done with a real life example. I was editing my recent videos about my camera setup. I decided to film during sunset to get that golden hour vibes. It was beautiful, but unfortunately, I didn't have all the time in the world. By the time I checked my shots, the light was completely gone. I had this one great angle of the camera on the table, but for the edit, I needed variety. Unfortunately, I didn't have the time to go back and reshoot. I had a deadline, so what do you do in this situation? You simply grab a still frame of that shot and export it. Then you jump into Higgsfield AI and go to the shots feature. You drop that still image in there and hit enter. After that, the AI is gonna analyze the 3D space, and simply from one image, it's gonna create 9 different camera angles. I mean, look at this, it's insane. A top-down shot, a side profile, a wide shot. It basically acted like a second shooter that I did not have in that situation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jacopo, these are just images. These are not videos. This is why we're gonna hop into Kling AI and animate them. Now guys, before we do this, I just want to point out that you cannot use this for everything. It has a lot of difficulty, like replicating human movements. It's still not at that point. And most importantly, you can use it to like recreate scenes that were not true. For example, I was in Milan filming a documentary for an MMA fighter. I was alone during the actual sparring match, and I wish I had more angles. Now, I tried to use this AI workflow to generate different angles of that shoot, but it was a complete disaster. Simply because the AI morphed their limbs, the movements weren't like according to the laws of physics or whatever, and most importantly, they didn't do that in the real fight, so I can't use the AI in this situation. But I did use it in another way. Later in the same shoot, I was filming the fighter cutting weight. He was sitting in a sauna, wrapped around towels, barely moving, just breathing. Now in that case, I did use the AI to get like a sort of wider shot of the scene because I didn't have a wide lens, and it worked perfectly. So just be mindful of when you want to use it, and yeah, keep it in mind. Let's get back into it. Now for this animation using Kling AI, I do not guess. I use ChatGPT. I describe the shot I want to ChatGPT, something simple even, just like a slow cinematic pushing on the Sony camera or whatever. Then I tell him to write like a specific prompt about what I just told him to do. And this just gives Kling AI more information to create exactly the effect that I want. Now this is not a one-time prompt that is gonna work every single time. It's a lot of trial and error, so just have fun with it, and yeah, I'm sure it's gonna work. Now guys, unfortunately, this is not a free software. Higgsfield AI, I pay about 25 euros a month, which is about 30 bucks. But I think that it's completely essential for us video makers. I mean, just a peace of mind that I get when I know that I'm in a difficult situation, I need to get multiple angles, but the moment is just once and I can replicate it, I'm just a lot more chill about it. Now, at the end of the day, in my opinion, the goal is satisfaction for me and for the client. I put a lot of work in the pre-production game, believe me, but unfortunately in these type of situations, you cannot control everything. Boys, if you have any questions about the specific prompts or you want a deep dive tutorial of the Higgsfield software, no problem, just leave a comment down below. I also use AI to create cool effects or transitions for my video. If you're interested in that, I have a video right here for you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye boys, ciao ciao.